This is Explore Photo Trip. We're about to go to Magoroto Forest. We're very excited. This is our car right here, and we just hope this trip will be fun. We hope to experience new cultures in Magoroto Forest. Yeah, and whatever that we're doing.
We then started our day with a brief history of Magoroto in order to understand the sports and activity to be offered.
Rice and fish, awesome place. So I'm having fun. This is awesome food. We've just landed and it's awesome already. So I'm wondering about tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Keep it explore photo trips, the best you can ever get.
The day was awesome and it was time to bond and getting to know each other. So we play cards as we wait for the next day of adventure.
Hey, morning guys. This is Magoroto Forest. It's a chilly Saturday morning. We're right here, just waking up and enjoying the weather. It's cool, it's misty. You guys should be here, man. This place is so quiet, very amazing.
So today was the day to take a hike, a 3 hours hike to the mountains. Even the rain could not stop us from experiencing this wonderful adventure.
Magoroto.
Moving away to the sea for a getaway. Car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for the first time. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean. It's a favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end.
Juma ataka refund. Kiasi. Spot on. Yes, Avande. Spot on. Yes, Avande. Proceed. Hey.
We're about to play soccer.
After that long hike, it was time to relax and play some board games. We then later had a surprise birthday party for our beautiful ladies.
Number 20, happy birthday, Baskido, guess this thing is popping. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, you know.
What's the time, man?
It was time to go home. Yes, this was our last day at Magoroto Forest. Very sad, right? Definitely, we'll come back again.
So my experience has been great, awesome, meeting new friends, new adventures, but generally it was great, it was awesome.
First and foremost, I want to say thank you to everyone and to Jimo for bringing me here. It's such an experience. I love nature so much. I didn't know about this. It was quite a surprise. Thank you guys for organizing. Thank you. Is it Explore PhotoTrip. You guys are awesome. The crew, Akina Mark, Vierere, Wamboi. You guys are awesome anyway.
Hi guys, my name is Mark Muritsi. I'm a travel maniac, and this weekend I spent it at Magoroto Forest. It has been awesome, courtesy of Explore PhotoTrip. Well organized trip. I've had fun to the fullest. This is my first time out of Kenya. Actually, I'm abroad. And yeah, it's a good place. I definitely recommend this guys any day, anytime. This is the best feeling you can ever get in life.
Yo! Niaje ni XP na Gladi. We are so excited to be here. Met such an awesome lady. Awesome people. Yani it's a very very good experience. Tutarudi huko tu baadaye honeymoon yetu kivyake
to fall in love.
Moyo wa dundunda. But anyway, it's been awesome. Magoroto Forest, thanks for the experience, Yani. It's been awesome.
Awesome.
Well, Magoroto, just one word, it's beautiful, man. The nature, the trees, the lake, camping, everything is just amazing. We had so much fun the past 3 days. I think we've even become darker. Tumenyeshewa pia sana. But we thank God, imekuwa nzuri. Tukiwa na dem fulani hapa amebleach nywele. Noma sana. Wako wengi hata. Poa lakini kwa jina Jemo. Peace.
Definitely can also get.
Stop!